Okay, what do I have to do now? No one's answering. I just give them a call now to see what they say.
Yeah, but we've tried ringing them, but nobody's answering. I've just been told to go.
I'll just stay here 5 minutes, see if someone's coming, then if no one's here.
I've been here 10, been ringing, nobody's answering.
Yeah.
It's like 5 times.
Have you been in the front? Try in the front, maybe someone's there. Yeah, cheers, no problem. Now I just have to go with the lorry inside. I don't know exactly where I have to go. Just probably have to wait around here somewhere. Doesn't say deliveries anything. Yeah, there. Okay. I'll just reverse there.
What is it?
Just bars. Metal bars.
Alright,
Yeah.
so just pop through
Yeah,
that,
reverse.
bring truck out
Yeah,
inside.
yeah, no problem. Cheers, man. So you got 30 bars. They are on the left side actually.
Just pull forward and on.
Yeah, no problem. I can. My jacket is stuck, man. It's a pain in the ass. Fucking can't go out. Come on, fucking jacket. I got stuck inside. My jacket was broken the door. Fucking hell.
Gary, uni struck. On uni struck, that's all. 41 to 41 uni struck. 41 to 41 uni struck.
Yeah, I've had a few more earlier, but
Is it both fine or?
yeah, both. So should be 30 altogether. I just been to your colleagues in Sheffield earlier.
Alright.
Yeah, in that hospital, I forgot the name.
Nightingale.
Hallamshire or something like that. Hallamshire Hospital.
Don't ring a bell. But
Yeah. Oi. Let's see. I waited all day to drop this off, honestly. Just literally they going anywhere. Even if you put the strap so tight, just
they put that on with the straps.
yeah.
Alright, because that doesn't look. I'll lift it, but it doesn't look very set. It looks all the weights at the end.
Yeah.
See what I mean?
I'll try to move as much as I can.
Well, I'll
Yeah.
lift it, we'll see.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. On. Strap is on. You can try if you want.
It doesn't look fucking balanced
It's not.
at all. That is not balanced at all. When I pick it up, it's just gonna drop.
Yeah. Well, somehow it's only this and that, but I don't know.
I can try it, mate, but it's not gonna pick up the rate.
Yeah.
These pallets separate, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, I'll do one at a time.
Yeah, mate. Just mind that end, the other end. You see the bollard there. You need to lift a little bit on top. You see the red one?
Can't see no. That?
Yeah,
Oh,
just
I
yeah.
just want to see how it lifts, and then I want
Yeah.
to shift it over.
Just keep a hand on it.
That's as far over as I can go.
We'll do it slowly, we'll do it. I know it's not the right thing, but as long as you're happy, I'm happy.
Problem is that I can't go nowhere now.
Well, I can try to roll them forward a little bit.
What I'm gonna do, I'm
Yeah.
gonna reverse this, put this here.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I can't go nowhere because you're
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna get the next one off. You
Yeah.
can go and then we can
Yeah,
put it in.
yeah, no problem.
So I'm gonna left hand down now.
Yeah,
alright?
yeah.
Staying at that height because I need to clear all this.
Yeah. Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going down now.
Yeah.
It'll be alright. It's alright, it's alright.
Yeah.
Bend your fingers. It's alright.
Oh, just this is more balanced than the other one, but still,
This one's even. I like this.
yeah. Honestly, they didn't know how to load it. They wanted to put this first and then the mesh there, but there's no space for everything. So if you can count them, should be 30. Should be 30 of them. Okay. Now all I need to do is just to secure the load. Yeah. I cut my nails yesterday, and I think I've done something to my, how do you call it, to my nail, because the secure is not done yet. Go on, mate. Okay, job done. Everything is safe. This one